Hello everybody, welcome to this episode of FishNGrillz. The water wasn't good today, so we decided to pick up some sand turtles. Fried it in butter and garlic, decided to make some sand turtle salad. Had some fish in the freezer, baked it up, made some fish dip with some other side ingredients. It's gonna be a fun one, stick around. Tuning in for this episode of FishNGrillz!
Man, I don't know about today. It looks a little rough.
It's kind of nuts out there. You gotta do something different today?
Yeah? What you got in mind?
Do some sand turtles? Haven't done
Sand
that in a while.
turtles? Do some sand turtle salad?
Sand turtle salad.
Sounds good to me. Let's do it then.
Let's do it.
Woo! What do we get? Oh, reef. Oh! Oh, an eel. Okay, okay. Ah!
You get sand turtle bait. Oh! Oh, keep on.
Show, girl.
Let's go.
No, no. Oh, what? Why are you taking the eel? Come back. What are you doing with the eel? She took the eel. Okay, sorry, back in the ocean. Not for you, honey girl. No, that goes back in the ocean. It's not yours. Bye.
Here we are, sand turtle hunting. We got the shrimp, drag it out the sand, and as I see it, I'm gonna grab it with my hand, throw it in the net.
Okay, ready, go. Shrimp on the ground.
You gotta wait for the wave to come by, to get the water come up. You drag that juices down so the sands come up the sand, so I can grab them.
Go. Oh, right there.
Oh, big one. Big one.
Woo! Right there, by the foot, right there. Right there, by it. There you go. Bro, that's a big one.
Oh! We gotta just scoop it already. Let me go drain this.
What?
Got some good ones already. Honey, see you there.
Alright. Honey, you want some? Hey, no, no.
Yeah, I'm gonna use this.
Okay, yeah, that's a good idea. Thanks, baby dolphin. Incoming! Woo! On my phone.
Oh, my slippers.
Bait, 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 bait. Oh! Scoop, scoop. Oh! Oh, right there. Oh! That's a huge one. Oh, that was a big one.
You get that on film?
Yeah.
Oh.
They see what it looks like. It's your show. Actually. Ooh, some fatties. Oh! Got it. Oh, let me see. There you go.
Oh, big one. Big one.
Woo! Gotta shake it out.
Got it.
Oh. Yummy, yummy, soon to be in my tummy.
Alright, we got about a couple dozen. We got some bombs in here too. Should be enough for sand turtle salad. Meet you back at the house. Stay tuned. We are back at the house. First things first, we're gonna get the fish in the oven. We're gonna bake it, scrape it. We're gonna make a dip. Then we're gonna start on our sand turtle salad. Stick around.
In the oven, she goes.
Alright, real simple. The base of our salad is romaine, iceberg. We got some lanai mix, a cucumber, some cherry tomatoes, got some Caesar dressing. Then we're gonna start adding in the rest of the ingredients.
It's fresh.
So last ingredients for our salad is tomatoes. We're just gonna chop them in half, spread it out. And as a side dish, we got stuffed jalapeno peppers and stuffed mushrooms all wrapped in bacon.
Alright, we're gonna let that sit while we get the rest of the salad ready.
Alright, so we're gonna get started on the sand turtles. We're gonna start melting some butter, adding some rosemary and some garlic to it. While this is melting, I'm gonna start cleaning up the sand turtles, making sure there's no more sand. Once this is all heated up, sand turtles inside, whip, whip, whip. On the salad she goes. FishNGrillz standard rosemary. And some garlic.
Let that garlic, butter, rosemary sizzle a little bit.
Alright, we're gonna start rinsing the sand turtles. It's all inside here. We're putting the colander.
Look at it.
Start rinsing these guys off. Show them what I'm doing. Oi! Look how big that one is. Some big ones.
That's the main ingredient. What do you think?
These are eyeballs, bro. There's something about that. That's like
thick ones.
There's a thick boy. There's a thick boy, boy. You thick. I don't know. It's like that. I don't know.
Alright, so alongside with the butter, garlic, and rosemary, I rendered out some onion just for more texture. Added a shot of shoyu just for that coloration. Now we're about to add in our sand turtles.
Start it up.
Oh, smells good already.
We're gonna let this cook down for a couple minutes. Once it's all cooked through, top it with our salad. Stick around. Alright, we're gonna try one of the sand turtles, see if it's cooked through. We're trying to cook through the shell. Let's try it. That's delicious.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. You gotta try one, Caleb.
That's gonna be hot.
You gotta try one, Caleb. It's so good.
How hot? Oh, it's gonna be hot. I know it. Maybe a little bit more crunchy, but it tastes good though. It's coming along, it's coming along.
The taste is there, but okay, maybe a few more minutes then.
It's a little chewy, but really crispy.
Alright, so it's just about cooked down. Let's spread it on our salad and let's give it a toss.
Start it up. This is lit.
And because Caleb is such a bacon fanatic, you have to get them bacon bits.
You know?
And every good salad has cheese in it. Cheese big. Caleb, get your pill ready. Yes, sir.
Oh! Sand turtle down. Okay, try it out.
Our fish is just about done. We're gonna get started on our ingredients for our dip. We have our common book. We're gonna start grading this. We got a little bit of imitation crab. We got some hot stuff, Japanese mayo, some la morena, and then we're gonna shred up the fish. We're going to use chicharron and some chicken biscuits alongside. All right, so our stuffed jalapenos and our stuffed mushrooms just about done. Let's take it out.
Oh.
Let it cool off. Let's start snacking. Our fish is done. Let's take it down to cool off, so we're gonna start on a dip. Hot!
Ah, is it?
Oh, way! Yee!
Why is it hot in the oven?
Right through the towel. Me.
Okay, how's it look? How's it look?
Looks great. Let's check it.
Check, check, double check. The colla's ripping.
Alright, see that?
Collar.
Here's good.
Okay.
Where you said go? Alright, our fish is cooled down. We're gonna take the meat off. We're gonna debone it before we add it to our mix. Then we're gonna add in our little cream cheese mushroom mix that we actually use for our jalapenos and stuffed mushrooms. Add that in with a little bit more Japanese mayo, some of Bobby's secret hot sauce. Top it with some la morena, because you know they're making all your dishes even more delicious. Dip it with some crackers. Enjoy. Before I shred it up, I'm gonna double check it one more time for any small bones, big bones, any bones before we add it to the mix. Alright, start shredding it, add it to the mix. Then we're gonna add in our cream cheese mushroom mix. Add in the rest of the ingredients.
Come back for revenge.
And was that Bobby's sauce?
Bobby's secret hot sauce.
Okay.
Here's some
not.
garlic pau kai.
It's not. That's a secret. He just pours.
Alright, here's our final product. Here's some chicken biscuit crackers. Here's the dip. Here's the swish. Wow. So good. Back again. Winners.
What do we have here, guys?
I just baked up some fish, mixed it up with some ingredients, and made some dip. Try it out.
Oh, yeah.
And I added your secret hot sauce to it, so even more delicious.
I was winner there.
Oh, that's a good. That's a nice plate right there.
It's the one right here.
What are you doing?
And it broke.
Hello, everybody. Thank you for sticking around. Today we had a blast.
We had some good times, good grinds, some good people, and as always,
Stay tuned for the next episode of
FishNGrillz. Yes, sir. Cut.
Let's go.
All right, so also. All right, so along with the butter, garlic, and rosemary, I rendered. Quiet on the set. All right, so our fishes were. All right, our fish.
wait, lens cap.
Our fish.
Wait, color correction.
Okay.
Wait, reset.